This is Skyview Weather at 6.
The calm before the storm. That's what we had today. A lot of sunshine, some mild temperatures, but satellite and radar is showing that storm getting ready to move in and is moving quickly. As you can see, the majority of the first round of this storm is in Kansas and Nebraska, and that's going to continue to move to the northeast. We're going to be seeing more of that fill in towards the southern portions of South Dakota. But here's a look at round one. You have the rain in parts of Kansas, mixed precipitation along with that snow. This continues to move north. You can kind of see towards the end of it some development of that snow to the west. That's going to continue to move towards us tonight and throughout the day tomorrow. Round two is still down here into parts of New Mexico and southwest Colorado, and round two will be moving in Saturday night and Sunday, impacting the plains. We'll talk more about that. So a closer look here, we see round one continue to move some very heavy snow near North Platte, maybe mixing in with some heavy rain. Temperatures pretty close to freezing. So as we look, we have winter weather advisories, winter storm warnings in the area. Timing varies. So for the plains of Weston County into Rapid City in the Black Hills, all of Custer County, all of Fall River County, these weather advisories are from 10 p.m. tonight to 5 p.m. tomorrow. The winter storm warnings in the northern hills of South Dakota and Wyoming, the winter weather advisories in Meade County up towards Perkins County, and the winter storm warnings out in the plains, eastern Pennington County and Oglala Lakota County go until 6 p.m. Sunday, and even down towards Jackson and Bennett County, these go till 5 a.m. Monday morning. So a lot of variation in timing due to this storm. And as we look, there are two rounds I've talked about. Tonight and tomorrow night, significant travel impacts are expected. Strong winds also with gusts 40-50 miles per hour. Here's Futurecast. We are seeing round one move into Rapid City and into the Black Hills, also towards the plains. And then it's going to start tapering off as the noon hour. We have that moving to the east during the afternoon, and maybe a little bit of snow lingering in the northern hills. Round two moves in Saturday night. You can see that right here. It's going to move back west towards the far plains, and we're going to be seeing that impact the area throughout the day on Sunday. Most of us stay dry on Sunday, though there could still be a little upslope snow in the northern hills due to the northerly wind moving towards the hills and rising, creating clouds and more snow. As for our snowfall forecast, there's still some uncertainty to this, but this is probably one of the best bets we have as of right now. Heaviest snow in the plains. This is through Sunday afternoon, so tonight into tomorrow morning, fill up all towards the plains. You're not going to see that 8 to 12 inches by tomorrow morning. That's mainly going to be coming Saturday night and throughout the day on Sunday. Rapid City, Custer, Hot Springs, into parts of Hewlett, Newcastle. This is likely what we're going to be seeing tonight and into the day tomorrow for snowfall totals. So about 2, potentially up to 5 inches for Rapid City, 2 to 4 Custer. Lead could have 2 to 4, depending on how much that upslope kind of enhances. We can see a little bit more than that, but the highest amounts will be out towards the plains. We're also watching wind speeds getting pretty high throughout the day on Saturday too. Some gusts reaching 40 miles per hour. Saturday night into Sunday morning, gusts reaching 45 miles per hour. And throughout the day Sunday, we could see some wind gusts getting closer towards 50 miles per hour. Monday, it stays a little breezy, but those winds will start to diminish going throughout the day on Monday. So slippery roads near the hills throughout the overnight hours and tomorrow, but difficult to impossible travel expected in the plains Saturday night and Sunday, blowing and drifting snow out towards the plains with blizzard-like conditions out there too. If you don't have the KEVN mobile app, now's a good time to download it to stay on top of the weather as it goes and comes closer towards us tonight and throughout the weekend. So it's something you might want to do on the Android and Apple app stores. We have temperatures in the teens to the north tonight, near the 20s into western South Dakota and the Black Hills. For Saturday, 20s for the majority of us for high temperatures. Not much of a variation in temperatures due to the cloud cover. The heavy snow will be coming to an end, but it will return Saturday night and Sunday. It'll stay windy with the snow east in the plains. Monday, we're still a little windy, 33. New Year's Eve, or 42. New Year's Day, 43. Maybe a rain-snow mix late in the day. We stay near 40 for Thursday.
All right, so some very interesting weather on tap, and we're going to stay tuned to KEVN, Black Hills Fox News, and you, David Stradling, for more information on that storm.
I'll have an update tonight at 9 as well.
All right.
This is your Skyview forecast.
So yeah, it's been cold and I've been very well prepared because of your forecast telling us it's going to get cold and today and tomorrow, whatever. But is it going to get warm, whatever?
It does. We do get a little warm tomorrow. We're back to near 40 degrees, which is above normal, but unfortunately by the weekend it's going to be cold again. But the future is looking bright for us, and I'll be talking about that later in my forecast. As of right now, we are seeing highs Rapid City and to the plains. It is pretty chilly. 24 towards Phillip, 15 in Faith. A lot of that cold air off towards Pier and Mobridge as well. Newcastle, one of the warmer spots at 41, but the top spot was down towards Pine Ridge, where they got up to 44. 30s for many locations in the hills and into northeast Wyoming. Our temperatures right now, 23 downtown. The wind's starting to kick in from the west, which is helping raise those temperatures a little bit. Sturgis at 19, Shade Hill up to 11. So it is very cold on those plains still. 32 Newcastle, 31 into Gillette. As we go overnight tonight, we'll stay in those mid-20s here in Rapid City, probably staying closer towards 30 into northeast Wyoming. And we'll be having partly cloudy skies. So not too bad conditions overnight tonight. For tomorrow, we are seeing a lot of sunshine in the morning. That'll be nice, and that'll help us warm up to 40 degrees tomorrow. But by the afternoon, we do see some clouds beginning to increase into the area. By 5 o'clock, we're mostly cloudy, hovering near 40, but we will be seeing some rain and snow showers moving into the area, and we'll show you that here on Futurecast. Mostly clear skies to partly cloudy skies tonight, and then we see that sunshine in the morning hours. By the afternoon, you are noticing a lot of those clouds move in. This is 6 o'clock. You're seeing maybe a mix of rain and snow into the northern plains, also towards Sheridan. This will continue to slide southeast. So around the Black Hills in northeast Wyoming, probably the best chance to see some of those, but there's still a possibility for some isolated rain or snow showers into the northern plains. And then we're going to be seeing a little bit more clearing going into Thursday night and Friday morning, but we do have snow showers for northeast Wyoming. Those will continue to move into South Dakota throughout the day on Friday, and we'll be seeing some scattered snow showers throughout the afternoon, and those will actually continue into Saturday. We'll have some isolated flurries possible. It's going to be cold, 20 degrees. We'll have a wind coming out of the east. That is actually going to help supply some fog to the area. And if you remember Thanksgiving to Black Friday, we kind of had that freezing fog with temperatures below freezing. It's going to be something very similar we have. So there may be some slippery roads or sidewalks, something kind of like you expected and experienced on Thanksgiving and Black Friday. By Sunday, we're 30 degrees, and it will be partly cloudy. Good news. If you're sick of the cold air, we have some warmer air in the forecast. This is from December 19th through the 25th, so leading up into Christmas, a lot of the United States are expecting to be above normal, and we're going to be seeing some of the warmest of that air. We could probably be having temperatures in the 40s, maybe even a few days in the 50s, and to correlate with that, we are going to be below average in the precipitation department. So if you're hoping for a white Christmas, it's not looking too promising. There's no real big storm in the near future. We may have a few small ones, but it's not looking too promising. Like I said, for a white Christmas, the western part of the United States will be seeing the above normal precipitation. The lows tonight going to be cold off towards the plains, a 24 into Rapid City, mid-20s into the Black Hills. We are partly cloudy tomorrow. Sunshine in the morning hours, but clouds increase throughout the day, maybe even bringing a rain or snow shower during the afternoon. We'll have highs near 40 for many locations. 7-day forecast showing the cold air for Saturday, staying pretty chilly Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, but we're back to 40 by Wednesday, and we'll be seeing that warm air continue into next weekend.
All right, so a lot of dry air, and I guess that's good if you don't want to shovel.
Yeah, a lot of dry air, and we don't really have any precipitation in the forecast once we get past Saturday.
Good enough, David. Thank you.